Huh? A Rubik's Cube? Looks like that someone left it here. Whatever. I'm just gonna...
Yar! Is that me Rubik's Cube?
Oh, well, is it yours?
I guess it is, me matey.
Oh, alright. You should probably take it.
Okay, then.
Wow! That's awesome!
How is he even
That's
doing
really
that? How is
cool.
he even solving a Rubik's Cube with one hand? Yeah, you're really talented, Captain. Wow, that's pretty impressive.